This. I could drop a hit and get you hit today. What's up? Yeah. Talking about hits, I could drop a hit and get you hit today. They said they don't want all my shit, but I'm on my shit today. Got the sun right on my bitch, I'm feeling like big today. They say it's dog food in the hill, we gon' blitz today. Hop out, I'ma park the whip. If they move, we sparking it. Those could be so chill, he catch a body here, spark split. I grew up around hot heads, trying to catch a body just for talking shit. And catch that nigga in person, he be stuttering, get to talking quick. Talk cheap, tell a bitch I don't talk free. Every time I talk, she get the tweet and just like talk tweet. She like, nigga, you lie to fuck. Told her I just talk sweet. Probably tell a bitch ass brother he don't know we spark heat. Be in my own zone, I got whole gang, be on defense. I got layers like the ozone. Try to get past level 1 to get to level 2. Trip, I put a click out. She asked me was I friendly, I got two and I put my dick out. She got two of me, I got the thing, she got a big mouth, so fuck it. Put my dick up, till that bitch just was a stick up. If she think about moving, then that little bitch gon' get hit up. Yeah, just come and get us, you know. Like fucking with us. Talk about his talk, drop a hit and get you hit today. Yesterday I went on my shit, but I'm on my shit today. Slapping seven right on my back, still feeling like big today. They say it's dog food and they hood, but we gon' blitz today. That's why I'm talking with. If they move, we sparking it. First to be so chill. He catch your body here, spark a split. I grew up around my head. Tom burning nigga just for talking shit. Catch that nigga in person, he be stuttering, get to talking quick. Told him I don't talk to pigs, I don't speak oink oink. Caught him lacking in the car, knock him off point point. Never thought my music be on TV this tune, but I point choice. Little bougie bitch, I asked her what she want ride, she point Royce. Sicko, I keep a glick on me on my. He tried that he gon' die. I can't believe that bitch tried to say all my shit. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Fuck is you talking? I more songs and then you could say that. Don't motherfucking try to come on my shit. Oh, all his shit sound the same. Bitch, I only got like 15 fucking songs out. Fuck is you talking about? I only got 20 songs out. If we being honest, why not now? Don't count. Who that? Who that kind of count? Cause who that got some bangers. But why not now? Don't fucking count. Who that barely count. The only album that I really count is Platinum Heart. You feel what I'm saying? If anybody recommended to go listen to some music, I'd tell them go listen to Platinum Heart. I'm not gonna be like, yeah, hell yeah, go listen to Why Not Now. You feel what I'm saying? So I only got like 20 songs out, if we being honest. Bitch, let me drop 20 more songs and then you could be like, all his shit sound the same. You can't say that now. You feel what I'm saying? Because I don't have enough songs out. So with that being said, if I catch y'all saying some dumb shit, I'm gonna kick y'all out. But I'm into peace and prosperity. Y'all all stay beautiful and shit like that. Cam, what up? What's the word, gang? That bitch said, ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. And you telling me that sound like this? I'm disgusted.
Twisted Genius, baby.
I just gotta warm up. Hey, said I need it right now. You cut all of the lights out. You can see me like Diddy, hit bro on the platform. I know he get a back on. He move shit like it's sweet. I do shit with a mask on. Like fucking let's get his task on. None of these niggas can't see me. And I rock the nails so much double C. Thought I was crip, but these niggas want to beat me. Birthday, I ain't nothing on baby though. She don't fuck, but I know she a crazy hoe. Give me dick, I'm like. And you telling me that sound like this? Amigo graciously. I feel like when y'all ready to speak up, y'all speak up. For right now, I got you. Yeah, she got a nice body, but she ain't want to be touched. She just wanna love them, baby girl, don't want to be up. She feel like these niggas come around and speed up. Mama want around and the daddy used to be up. She live a lifestyle where everybody want. Ain't tell nobody, the Lord knows. Said don't tell nobody, he did it because he loved us. And then start she getting beat up, cried, ain't nobody listen. You tell that you said it was, ain't nobody get it. You tell that you said it was fine, ain't nobody said it. What the fuck was niggas to take that little trips? Really anything that you can ask for the girl. You should have better kiss her ass for bro. Really she deserve it, but they asked for her. Let me find she ain't tripping on it. She don't hear what I'm talking on you, wanna listen on it. She knew the devil was playing, but she don't pick up on it. I can't believe that bitch just came and said some dumb ass fucking shit like that. You fucking dumb. Oh, I gotta stop saying the word bitch, but they be making me so fucking mad. The fuck? Like, what the fuck would possess you to even come say some stupid shit like that? Feel me? Maybe let's just think, bitch. And this, I ain't even gonna listen. Maybe let's just think, right? All right, let me get the bitch password today. You feel what I'm saying? Let me get the bitch pass today, y'all. Please, man, shawty, if you ain't drop all that shit, I'm gonna be mad as I got you. That shit gonna drop. Listen, right? Ooh, I'm so mad. I don't even know what to say. Cause why the fuck you just come? Listen. I be making sure my shit don't don't be sounding like, you feel what I'm saying? Like that's my biggest pet peeve. Like if motherfucker come try to tell me like, yeah, all your shit sound the same. That shit, that shit, I'll probably beat you the fuck up. Listen, she gonna try to come say that fucking, ooh, you feel what I'm saying? All right, so boom, right? Damn, what the fuck I just got so mad I forgot what I was gonna say. I forgot what I was gonna say. Forgot what I was gonna say. It was good too. I had it. It was good. Damn, I had it. It was good too. I was about to get on her ass. Oh, I missed my memory going bad. I was gonna get on her fucking ass. What I was gonna say some shit too. I need a haircut. That's why y'all keep saying this. Yo, don't talk about my do-rag. You feel me? Y'all, you know how they say, like, if you see a nigga in the same clothes, like, you feel what I'm saying? Like, well, some of you niggas be dirty, but you feel, you know how they say, like, if you see the nigga in the same clothes for 7 days, you know, he grinding. You know what I'm saying? If you see me in the same do-rag for, like, next couple of days, because I'm busting my ass. But what the fuck I was about to say, because I was dead about to get on that girl fucking head. What she just say? I don't know what I was about to say, but what I was gonna say though, like fuck what a nigga talk about. Oh, like, and that's that. Like, what are you talking about? Like, what? Like, I don't mean like trying to talk about all his shit. Cause fuck is you talking about? Like, don't. So, that's that. And that, but y'all be saying period. Yeah. What I was gonna say? Damn, I was gonna cuss her out. I had a mean little combo for her ass. I was about to hit her. Boop, 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 boop. I'm telling y'all. I be on. Yo, listen. Who is he looking at? Yo, I'm imagining like y'all. Like I know y'all right here, but like I be feeling like somebody in front of me and they listening to what I'm saying, cause I be having a vent. Funny y'all talking about. Oh, and I needed this. I needed the vet. Cause y'all know I've been chilling. I ain't been getting on live going all types of crazy way that I be fucking going crazy and shit like that. But y'all know I've been chilling lately. You feel what I'm saying? I've been chilling. You know what I mean? I've been calling Toosii lately. But let me tell y'all something. I've been pissed the fuck off. For real. I'm gonna tell y'all why I've been pissed off though. Cause my shit, right? Yo, I don't what I was about to say. I was about to say some good shit. I've been pissed off though. I've been mad at everybody. I've been mad